Hi, boys and girls from the Lilac Room. We're in my kitchen again because I have something special that we're going to do after I tell you this story. Well, it's springtime right now, and there are a lot of animals that are coming out of their dens and their little homes because the weather is getting warm and they were hibernating, so now they're coming out. And I have a special little friend here that I want you to say hi to. It's my little bear. Can you say hi, little bear? Little bear wants to say hi. He's waving to you. And I have a story about a bear who comes out of hibernation, and it's called Bear Wants More. Bear Wants More. This is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So, Bear Wants More. I'm going to get started. When springtime comes, in his warm winter den, Bear wakes up very hungry and thin. He waddles outside and he roots all around. He digs his paws fresh shoots from the ground. He nibbles on his lawn till the last blade is gone. But Bear wants more. There he is looking. And he wants more. Look all around him. He ate up all the grass. It's all dirt now around him. Mouse scampers by with his acorn pail. Come along, Mouse squeaks, to Strawberry Vale. So up Mouse hops onto Bear's big back. They trot through the woods for a fresh fruit snack. There's little Mouse, and here he is, and he hops onto the back of Bear. The berries grow sweet, and they eat, and eat. But Bear wants more. Look at him laying there. The noon sun glows when along hops Hare. Good day, friend Mouse. How do, friend Bear? I'm hungry, roars Bear. Hare says, follow me. There's a fresh clover patch by the cottonwood tree. Cottonwood trees are pretty cool. They have like really pretty flowers on them. If you're out taking a walk, you might want to look for some cottonwood trees. They nibble on their lunch with a crunch, crunch, crunch. The bear wants more. He wants more. Still hungry. Look at him. Badger shuffles by with his new fishing pole. There's a fine fish feast at the old fishing hole. They head to the pond and they sit by the shore. Bear catches fish. What do you think? You think he wants? What do you think? What do you think? But he still wants more. He still wants more. I don't know. His tummy looks like it's getting pretty big. Look at his tummy. It looks pretty big to me. Meanwhile, at the big bear's den, wait Gopher and Mole and Raven and Wren. They bake honey cakes and they decorate the lair. It's a springtime party for the good friend Bear. They're getting ready. They're making daisy chains. Isn't that fun? Bear rubs his tummy and he smells something yummy. And he still wants more. He still wants more. Bear, he sniffs and he snuffles. As a sweet breeze blows, he romps to his home and he follows his nose. His friends yell, surprise! When he gets to his den. But Bear is so big. What happened? He's so big. What do you think's going to happen? He's been eating a lot of food. What has he eaten already? He's had some grass, and he's had clover, he's had berries, and he's had fish, but he still wants more. That he can't fit in, Bear wails. What luck! I'm stuck in my own front door. There he is on the outside, and there he is trying to get on the inside. Do you think he had enough food? What do you think? Bear squeaks, poor Bear, he is wedged too tight. Hare tugs, Raven pulls with all of their might. Badger gets a stick and he pries so hard. They're trying to get Bear out of his stuck in his door. That Bear pops out and he lands in his yard. Since Bear is so wise and they party outside, he still wants more. Oh my goodness, he still wants more. He's still hungry. Bear opens present and he gobbles honey cake. He eats so much that his tummy aches. I think he should be full by now, don't you think? He snuggles in the grass and he snores big snore. He is full, 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 but his friends want more. Take a look at this picture. Look at their faces. They're like, what happened to all the food? I wonder if Bear shared any of it. Probably not. The look on their faces. He should have showed some of their food. Well, I noticed something that Bear was wearing on the top of his head. Look at this. Where's a picture of it? The last picture. Oh, here it is. There he is. He's nibbling. He has something on his head right there. It's a little daisy. I have a surprise for you. Look, I made my own. Look, I have a bear hat, and I made my own little daisy hat to go with it. My own daisy little hat. And I'm going to show you what you could do. You could, with the help of your mommy and daddy, or parent, or whoever's with you at your house, you could draw a little flower, and then you could cut it out. Cut it out. You have a little flower. And then if you have hole punch, that's really great. And you could punch some holes into it. Punch a hole in there. Little hole, see? Use your little hole punch. And you could do some more hole punching on paper. This is really good fine motor activity for you. Just punch a lot of holes. Just be sure to clean up after yourself because there's a lot of holes everywhere. And then you get a piece of string and you tie a little knot into it. And then you could make your daisy chain. And my suggestion is put another little knot so that they can be a little separated. That's what I did with this one up here. Also, all of this talk about food is making me hungry, so I have a special treat for you. And I did wash my hands before we started, so I want to just tell you, before you start, you should always wash your hands. Remember, tops and bottoms all around, in between. Get your thumbs and do it for about 20 seconds. You could sing a song to yourself. And we're going to do a special snack. So you can use different types of nut butters or whatever you have at your house. I know some of our friends are allergic to peanut butter, but I have some peanut butter, and I have some sunflower butter, and I even have some almond butter. So what you also are going to need is you're going to need a slice of bread, a little slice of bread here. And you could use some berries. And this is because I know that bears like blueberries. And there's some raspberries. And I even brought some strawberries out because you could eat those along with your other snack that you're making. And I have some dried fruit, some cherries, and I have some raisins here that I'm going to use. So what I'm going to do, and I have a banana. Hello, my banana. What I'm going to do is I have a nice, safe spreading knife that I'm going to use. And I'm going to take one of the butters. And I'm going to take my slice of bread. And I'm going to I'll take some peanut butter because it's easier for me to spread. I'm going to want to take some time doing this. And I'm going to spread it onto, and you could spread it. I know that all of my friends know how to spread. This is another great fine motor activity and self-help skills. You could spread this butter on, this peanut butter on there. Put that knife down. There it is. There's that. And then I'm going to take my banana and I'm going to get a new little safe knife that I have here that's clean. And I'm going to do a couple slices. 1, 2, And I'm placing it on my bread. You'll see it after 3. And then I'm going to take some little of these dried cherries here. I'm going to put these right here and right there. And then I'm going to take a little blueberry. And I'm going to show you what I made. And you can make yourself your own little bear snack. Isn't that look yummy? Well, that's it. I want Bear to say goodbye to you. Goodbye, Bear. Say goodbye to the bear. That was a lot of fun. And be safe, my friends. Bye-bye.